So our next topic is top and bottom. Here you can see a picture in which there is a bird and a dog. We can say that the bird is top of the tree and the dog is bottom of the tree. I repeat once again, the bird is top of the tree and the dog is bottom of the tree. Let us see another example. Here you can see the staircase where the dog is on the top of the stairs and the cat is at the bottom of the stairs. Now let us see some exercise bits. Here in the picture, the boy is standing top of the building, whereas the girl is standing at the bottom of the building. Now look at the picture and say me which butterfly is on the top of the tree. Is this one or this one? Yes, this butterfly is on the top of the tree. Now looking at the picture, can you tell me which boy is standing at the bottom of the stairs? Is this? Yes, this boy is standing at the bottom of the stairs. Now look at the picture and tell me which animal is at the top of the hill. The goat is at the top of the hill and the cow is at the bottom of the hill. Now children, there is a little homework for you. You need to draw a picture where you are going to show a bird which is on the top of the tree and the butterfly at the bottom of the tree. Our next topic is nearer and farther. Here you can observe a picture where there is a crow and a pigeon. The crow is nearer to the tree, whereas the pigeon is farther from the tree. I repeat, the crow is nearer to the tree, whereas the pigeon is farther from the tree. Now let us see some other examples. In this picture, you can see a dog is nearer to the house, whereas the elephant is farther from the house. Look at the picture and tell me which daughter is nearer to the mother. Is it this daughter nearer to the mother or this daughter is nearer to the mother? Yes, this daughter is nearer to her mother. So our next topic is nearest and farthest. Here you can see a picture where there is a dog, a rat and a horse. Here the dog is nearest to the tree, whereas the horse is farthest from the tree. Now let us see another example. In this picture, you can see that pigeon is nearest to the tree and the crow is farthest from the tree. Let us do some exercises. So in this picture, you can see a building, a boy, a man and a woman standing. Can you tell me who is the nearest to the building? Yes, the boy is nearest to the building and the woman is farthest from the building. Now children, here is a little homework for you. You need to draw a picture showing a number of people in it and coloring the one which is nearest and the one which is farthest from the building. So children, our next topic is on, under, above, below. Here you can see a picture which is showing the fan is above the table, whereas the table is below the fan. Here in this picture, you can see that the airplane is above the sea level, whereas the ship is below the sea level. So children, here is a little homework for you. Draw a picture showing a thing which is above and a thing which is below. Now, here in this picture, you can see a table. There is a book on the table, whereas there is a bag under the table. I repeat, a book is on the table, whereas the bag is under the table. Can you help me in observing this picture and listing out things which are on and which are under the table? Yes, the book is on the table. Still, what are the things you can see on the table, children? Yes, there is a vase on the table. Still, yes, there is a glass on the table. What is under the table then? Yes, there is a pair of shoes under the table. So children, here is a little homework for you. Try this experiment in your home and write what are the things are on the table and what are the things which are under the table. Our next topic is rolling, sliding. Let us see a story here. The title of the story is Wise Grandmother. Once there was a lamb going to see his grandmother. On the way through the jungle, he met a wolf. And the wolf was saying to the lamb, "I am going to eat you." To that, the lamb replied, "Please, let me go. I am going to meet my grandmother. You can eat me when I return." So what the lamb is saying here? The lamb is saying that, "Please let me go. You can meet me while I am returning from my grandmother's house." So the fox replied, "Okay, you may go now." When he was about to return, he told the grandmother about the wolf. The grandmother gave him an idea. So the lamb reached grandmother's house and told everything what had happened in his way. So the wise grandmother gave him an idea. Go and hide inside the tolak." What did grandmother say, children? The grandmother said, "Go and hide yourself in a tolak." He did so. Now can you tell me, what is the shape of the tolak? Is it flat or else is it round? Yes, the shape of the dholak is round. So the grandmother rode the dholak on the road. The dholak started rolling down. What the dholak? The dholak was rolling down the road. The lamb saw the wolf waiting for him. "Did you see a lamb coming this way?" asked the fox. The dholak replied. Was the dholak replying? No, it was a lamb sitting inside was replying to the wolf. It said, "No." The wolf grew suspicious and started running behind the dholak. The wolf was waiting for a long time, children, and suddenly he felt that something is wrong, something is suspicious about this dholak. And what this wolf did? The wolf started running back of the dholak. When the lamb reached the house, he came out of the dholak and went into the house. Before the wolf could catch him, the lamb reached the home and was thankful to his grandmother. By this, using this rolling dholak, the lamb saved his life. Now let us see what are rolling objects and sliding objects. objects which are round are said to be rolling objects. The objects which has flat surface, are said to be sliding objects. Now let us see an experiment. Here I have made an arrangement for testing whether the objects are rolling or sliding. Now let us pick any of the objects from this basket and see whether it is a rolling or sliding object. Here is an apple. Is apple having any flat surface? No. Let us see. Yes, the apple is round and it is the rolling object. Let's pick another one. The next one you need to tell me. This is a flat wooden. There is a flat surface for this wooden piece. Now let us test it, whether it is rolling or sliding. So children, the object which is having flat surface slides. So the wooden piece was sliding. Now let us pick some another object. Ball. Can you tell me what can a ball do? Is it a rolling object? Is it a sliding object? Exactly. The ball is a rolling object. A book. Can you tell me, does book have a flat surface? Yes. It is sliding. This is a chalk. Chalk is round. Can you see the shape of the chalk is also like the dholak? Yes, the chalk is also a rolling object. Now let us see the last but not the least. This is the ice cream stick. Does it have a flat surface? Yes, it has a flat surface. So the object is sliding. So now children, let us do some textbook exercise and find out which object is rolling and which object is sliding. Take the object that can roll. Ball. We already have seen. The ball is a rolling object. Is book a rolling object? No. An orange. Is it a rolling object? Yes. A compass box. Is it a rolling object? No. Now, take the objects that can slide. A ball can slide? No. A box can slide? Yes. A dice can slide? Yes. A tomato can slide? No. A TV can slide? Yes, because TV is having a flat surface. So children, here is a small homework for you. List out 5 objects which rolls and 5 objects which slides. You can also try this experiment with the objects written in your notebook. So next topic is shapes around us. There are 2 types of shapes, 2D shapes, 3D shapes. What are 2D shapes? The shapes which we can only draw on a paper but we cannot hold with our hands are 2D shapes. Whereas 3D shapes are the one which we can hold in our hand. Now let us see some of the 2D shapes. and their sides. The first one is a square. A square has 4 sides. The second one is semicircle. The semicircle is half of the circle. It has 0 sides. The next one is a rectangle. A rectangle has opposite sides equal. It has 4 sides. The next one is a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. The next plane shape is diamond. The diamond has 4 sides. The next plane shape is a star. The star has 10 to 12 sides. The next one is a circle. A circle has 0 sides. The next one is oval. Oval has 0 sides. Next one is pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The next shape here is hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the last one is octagon. Octagon has 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These are some of the plane shapes. Now, let us see some of the examples of plane shapes. The shape of the clock is like a circle. A square. The shape of this carom board is like the square. The shape of the photo frame is a rectangle. The shape of this mountain is like a triangle. Semicircle. 2 semicircles make a circle. Diamond. The shape of the kite is like a diamond. Now let us learn about 3D shapes. I repeat, the shapes which we can hold in our hand are called as 3D shapes. The first one here is sphere. The sphere resembles to a ball. The next one is a cone. A birthday party cap is in the shape of cone. Can you tell me another example for the shape of cone? Yes, an ice cream cone is also in the shape of cone. A cube. The dice is in the shape of cube. Can you tell me some other examples of cube? Yes, marshmallow cubes are in the shape of cube. Cylinder. The shape of the candle is in the form of a cylinder. Some other example for cylinder is a water bottle, a tin can, etc. Cuboid. The shape of the cuboid resembles to matchbox. Let us see some more examples on solid shapes. Sphere. A ball, globe, orange, a lollipop. The next shape, cone. Some other examples are an ice cream, a pencil, a birthday cap and a traffic object. The next one is a cylinder, a water bottle, a tub, a glass and a tin can. The next one is cube. The examples of cube are a game, a box, a table and a dice. And one more solid shape is pyramid. The shape of the pyramid is the roof of the hut is in the shape of pyramid, the top of the pencil is in the shape of the pyramid, and the last is the mountain. Let us do a textbook exercise here. The shape of the circle resembles to sun. Can you tell me which shape resembles to triangle? Yes, the rooftop. Can you tell me which shape resembles to square? Yes, the shape of the photo frame resembles to a square. Now can you tell me what is the shape of egg? Yes, it is oval. Here is a little homework for you. Observe the things around you and list out each shape 3 things. Thank you.